Okay, today I'm going to cut watermelon. I'm not sure if I have a proper knife, so I decided to go with serrated knife, with something like that, not even blade. Oh, this is a good, yeah, that was a good choice, because when I started with this one, it's a little bit tougher to do that. So let's start with this one. Okay, 2 pieces. And then the next would be to go like this. Serrated knife is stable with the watermelon, so again this way. Whoa, oh, that was... So I receive pieces like that, place them here, they're perfect, they look fancy this way, and super easy to eat. I mean, maybe not this one, but the one in the middle. So firm grasp, and like that. And the last one. Whoa! Be careful with outer pieces like this one, and the surface is slippery, so you need a good knife. Okay, so these are my pieces. As for this one, I think I need to do something like that, just to shape sticks out of this. So, thank you for watching, and happy cutting!